Hello and welcome back to our Dental Photography Masterclass. My name is Alessandro De Vigus. Dental TV on YouTube. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. We cannot repeat that enough. So let's go on in our story about dental photography and how you can become a master in it. After selecting your camera, your lens, your flash, it's about accessories. So beyond camera and flash, what else do you need? Why accessories matter? They help you position the light perfectly, retract soft tissues, capture reflections, and soften harsh lighting. So we already mentioned a few of these, and we will go into details of them. For me, one of the key accessories is a flash bracket. You know, my favorite camera setup, and this has nothing to do with the camera itself. It's really how to mount your flashes and how to use it to get the lateral and ring flash in one setup. That's what the flash bracket is all about. Position the light. I get a lot of questions. How can I remove reflections? It's not always using a softbox or diffuser. In most of the time, it's just position your light, knowing where the light hits the surface of your teeth and restorations, and then get much better and consistent results. So a flash bracket, I know there are different types. My all-time favorite is the old bracket. We are working on a version that is a little bit more affordable, not at this high price level as it is, but it also is well built, so good quality. Another thing, after many times that my plastic retractors, not that they didn't work, but with the new sterilization protocols, they start getting brittle and breaking, and we had to replace them very often. So then my idea came up to modify Columbia retractors and get these with two-ended, so a larger end, a smaller end. They hide very well behind the cheek, so you can also use them for your mirror photography. They can be sterilized, so go and get them. The link is in the description of these cheek retractors. They already are all over the world. 100% of those who are using them are happy with them. So go and get your cheek retractors now. Let's talk about photography mirrors. And here, again, a lot of choices. And which is the best? For me, you see on the picture the Filtrop, so the classic from the 1970s. In 1978, this was introduced into the market. It's still, for me, the gold standard. Rhodium-coated glass mirrors with a handle, giving the best optical reflections, and so on. Metal mirrors are very popular. I have, for this, 2 videos on Dental TV. Check them out. My review on an overview of the mirrors, of the different concept of mirrors, of the surfaces, etc. And also about the fog-free mirrors. So we compared 3 systems with the ventilation, with the built-in ventilation and LED illumination. So check out these 2 videos to make your decision which mirror is best for your needs. At the end also here, it's about personal preferences and personal need. Diffusers, we talked about diffusers, bouncers and soft boxes in our last episode. They reduce glare, they soften the light, and some kill too much contrast. So basically be aware, again, be aware, use them additionally. And again, all the comparison, the videos I did, it's 3 videos I already posted on Dental TV. Again, also here, the link in the description. Okay, this was a short episode highlighting some accessories. You will find the detailed reviews here on Dental TV. And don't forget to subscribe. In our next episode, we will jump into how to set up your camera lens and flash. And this is one of my most liked and most shared and most saved posts also on social media. If you want, I can and I will also share this ultimate dental photography settings guide. Watch the next video and get the link. See you soon, and may the light be with you.